everyone, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and want to get more information about cryptocurrency project, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So today we bring a new amazing gaming project. Its name is Stardew Valley. Before waste your time, I am starting the video, guys. Stardew Valley. This is the amazing gaming project. You can play this game, then you can earn now. You can invite your friend, then you can earn 50% commission. So we discuss more detail about this gaming project. You can see these referrals earn 50% direct in contract. Number of estimate user. You can see this revenue. Connect your MetaMask to see your affiliate link. So guys, you can connect MetaMask. So I connect MetaMask. You can click here, then you can connect MetaMask. So I connect MetaMask, and then you can click this next. Then you can see this connect now. So you can see this my wallet is connect. You can see this my referral link. You can copy this link, then you can invite your friend. You can get commission. You can see this commission plus document. You can click here and see this page is open. You can see this referral system, Stardew Valley Origins, global affiliate system, a financial game changer in Stardew Valley Origins. Not only do we redefine gaming, we redefine earning. Picture this: you become an affiliate and start minting real money. Thanks to our groundbreaking blockchain technology, we are offering a staggering 50% commission on Donate Plus and additional 5% on all transactions, purchases, sales, and transfers made by your user. Next, you can see this, but let's break it down to numbers that truly speak. Imagine creating a YouTube video that ropes in 1000 new players. For each donate they make, you receive 50% directly into your wallet. That's 0.005 PNB per user. With 1000 users, that adds up to 5 BNB at a current rate of $546.12 per BNB. You are looking at a sweet $2730.73 automatically flowing into your account. And next we discuss more detail as there's more from their transactions totaling $10 estimated 1000 users. You bag an additional 5%, that's another $500. So total earnings are hoping $2775 just from one video. Can you imagine the possibilities if you scale up? Perfect for influencer, promoter, YouTubers, and even the casual and user. It's simple: the more you are promote, the more you earn. Our automated immutable blockchain contract does the heavy lifting, generates your affiliate link directly on our main page. You can see this official gaming project link. Next, you can see this excited yet we just getting started. Join our innovative system today and be part of our financial revolution. Let's not just play the game, let's change the game. Together we thrive. And next you can see the guy, you can read carefully all details. And next we back to the home page. And next you can see this Stardew Valley. You can see this document. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, the page is open, it's take time. So guys, you can check here, page is open. Welcome to Stardew Valley, farm and earn, the ultimate gaming and earning experience. Dive into the enchanting world of Stardew Valley Farm and earn, hailed as the most revolutionary game of the century. Here, farming dreams come alive, and every corner of your retail estate brims with adventure and possibility. As you embark on this vibrant journey, you are not just cultivating land, you are crafting a legacy. Every seed you plant and every animal you nurture not only thrives on your plot but also people you to world treasures beyond imagination. You can read carefully article. Next, you can check here revolutionary earning with our global affiliate system. But the excitement does not stop at farming. We introduced the world first of its kid referral system in gaming, our global affiliate system. By simply sharing your love for the game, you can earn substantial real world rewards. Every new player you bring to Stardew Valley through your unique referral link contributes directly to your earning. Guys, you can read carefully all day. Next, you can check here trade and prosper with Star Token. Moreover, our native token Star is now bustling on the BNB network and is available for trading on PancakeSwap. This is not just gaming, it's an immersive economic experience where you in game achievements can translate into real world profits. Get ready to plow, plant, and harvest your way to success. Customize your farm to mirror your personality, engage with dynamic in-game characters, and uncover the secrets hidden with Stardew Valley rich narrative. You can read it carefully. Next, you can check here, embark on your farming adventure. So what are you waiting for? Grab your virtual hues, scatter your seeds, and let's get planting. The field of Stardew Valley are ripe for sowing, and with NFTs and star token in play, your farming process can shine like never before. Happy farming, and remember, in Stardew Valley, farm and earn every day is a new opportunity to grow, explore, and propose. Welcome to the family and let the fun. This enhanced text elevates the excitement and details of the game, emphasizing both the adventure within the game and the innovative opportunities for earning through farming and refer. You can read it carefully. Next, we discuss how to set up the game. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, this game required to have MetaMask connected to BNB blockchain. MetaMask setup. MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to access their Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or mobile app, which can be used to interact with decentralized application. You will need to download MetaMask. So guys, you can download this MetaMask, then you can connect your wallet. Next, you can check here BNB setup. You can see this all pictures. Find Ethereum mainnet in the top left corner and click add network. You can see this, then find the BNB chain in the list and click add. You can see this, check the network details and click. You can see this picture. I proof now you have now added the BNB chain network to your MetaMask. You can see this picture. Number 5, you can see this, switch to BNB chain. Number 6, then you can see this, you can add BNB chain. Then you can see this, you can import this token. You can see this gaming project contact address, you can import now. So I go to MetaMask, then I see this how to import this token. So guys, you can see this, I open MetaMask, then you can see this page is loading. So guys, you can see the MetaMask open, then you can select Ethereum. You can click here, then you can select Ethereum mainnet, then you can add network, then you can add BNB chain. You can click this, then you can add BNB chain, then you can import this token. You can click here, then you can import this token. So you can enter your token contract address, then you can click this, then you can import now. And next we discuss more detail about this project, how to play. Once you have connected to BNB chain, you are ready to get started. Please follow the in-game guide to start growing your farm. Donation to play. To create a farm, we require user to donate a minimum of 0.01 BNB of their choice. So guys, you can play this game. So you can donate minimum 0.01 BNB. Then you can play this game. To BNB is donated directly to the charity's blockchain address. You can choose from the following charities. Mining fees. You can see this. Since the game is powered by blockchain technology, we must pay miners a small fee each time that we want to save our farm to the blockchain. This fee ensures that our farm is safe, secure, and reliable. Saving our farm to the blockchain depends on the current gas price of the network. When BNB is busy, the price increases. When it is good, it lessens. You can see this. Next we discuss plant guides. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see these pages open. Plant guide, you can see this fruit, seed per buy price, plant sale price, time to grow. You can see this all sunflower, potato, pumpkin, beetroot, cauliflower. You can see parsnip, radish. You can see this. And next we discuss stock mix. You can click here and see the stock mix of this project. You can see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here, pages open. Stardew Valley region are in high demand, and we are inserting more farmers to help satisfy this growing global demand. You can read it carefully all detail. You can see this token in supply less than, you can see this star per sunflower 0.02%, less than 500,000. star per flower $0.004, less than $1,000. And guys, you can see this linear growth. You can see the more tokens that are generated, the harder they are to farm. Indicate to come when the token supply reaches 1 trillion, there will be no more helping period. You can see this arbitrage. Next, you can check here buy and upgrade price. It is not only the rewards that lesson based on the supply, the seed price and price to upgrade a farm also lesson. This will ensure that new players still have a low barrier to entry can begin making progress on their farm. You can read carefully arbitrage. Next, you can check here rewards, the halving, what could go wrong. You can read it carefully arbitrage. Next, we discuss roadmap. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this roadmap is coming soon. Next to discuss term of services. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this term of services information. Information provided on the website does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice or another sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the website content such as Stardew Valley Origins team does not recommend it that any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold or held by you. You can read carefully article of term of services, website term and condition of use. Number one term, number two use license, number three disclaimer detail, number four limitations, number 5 revision and editor, number 6 link, number 7 site terms of use modification, number 8 your privacy, number 9 governing level. You can read it carefully all it. Next to discuss Stardew Valley Origin donation guide. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it take time, then you can page is open. Stardew Valley Origin donation guide introduction. Welcome to Stardew Valley Origin, where your contributions help to cultivate not only your farm but also the continued development and enhancement of the game itself. This guide provides you with all the necessary information to make donations within the game. So we discuss how to donate. Starting your farm to kickstart your farming adventure. Number one, ensure your device is connected to BNB network. Number two, navigate to the donate play section on the main screen. Number three, input the minimum required of donation of 0.01 BNB. Number four, select donate and play to activate your farm. Supporting our teams, developer teams, marketing teams, graphic design team, donation benefits, transparency and usage of donations. Conclusion, you can read it carefully. Guys, you can first of all you can donate now. You can donate minimum 0.01 BNB dollar. Then you can play this game, and next you can see this referral system. We will discuss this, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this, you can play this game. You can click here and see this page is loading, so it's take time. So guys, you can see this page is open. Stardew Valley, you can get started now. Then you can see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this game is play within 1 minute. Guys, you can see this donate to play to start a farm. Please donate to Stardew Valley Origins team. Ensure you are connected to BNB network. So guys, you can see this, you can connect BNB network. I already tell you how to connect BNB network in MetaMask. Then guys, you can donate BNB minimum 0.01 BNB. Then you can play this game. Developer team, donate to our team of developers to make the game suffer to play. You can see this a marketing team, graphic and design team. Guys, you can donate now, then you can play this game. Guys, I already tell you how to play this game. And next we go to PancakeSwap.finance. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here PancakeSwap.finance page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet, MetaMask. So I connect MetaMask wallet, then you can import this token. I understand, then you can import this token. So guys, you can see this, I already connect MetaMask wallet. Then you can enter your BNB amount. For example, I enter BNB amount 200. Then you can buy this token Stardew Valley. You can see this, if you swap Stardew Valley to BNB, then you can enter your Stardew Valley amount, then you can buy now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can buy now. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group channel. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, it take time. Then you can see this Telegram page open. Guys, you can check it. Stardew Valley Origin Global official Telegram group chat is open. You can join this group. You can see these 89 members that join this group. You can earn 50% commissions on referral. You can see this play link, document link. So we discuss more all detail about this gaming project. And next we back to the homepage. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.